Hello everybody, this is how to replace your Whirlpool washing machine door lock. This is going to be for most of your newer Whirlpool and Kenmore washers that have all these lights here. They might be here in the middle, or they might be over here on the right, or some of your vertical modular washers might have a little display on them. Might look like this one here, might look like one of these Kenmores or a Mana, your new, or some of your Maytags, your Maytag Bravo. There's another Whirlpool there. But it's all the same stuff. This particular one is a WTW 5000 DW1. First thing you want to check is your striker here. Make sure that your door is closing all the way without any kind of hold up. Alright. I'm going to come around to the back here. You need a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove this screw here. Pop that off. Alright. You're going to have some screws here, here, and here to remove this. And then you're going to have a screw there connecting the whole top piece there. Alright, from there, just push it forward. Alright, and then put you on the tripod, and then kind of lift it up. Now if you got a glass door, you want to put some tape on there. Not going to really worry about that on this one here, but you need the 1/4-inch nut driver, and then you're going to need a small screwdriver. Alright, real simple. Right here, push in, and that's right there is going to unlock it. Okay, unlock it and just pull it out there. You got a couple little clamps that hold it on here. I'll show you what you need to do to the back. In the back here, this is it. You push these in. Alright, come over here, chase these wires. Got a little keeper right there. You keep chasing it, and she's over here, and then you just unplug it. Alright, just pull it through, take it out, put the new one in the same way. Alright, and then when you go to put it all back together, you're going to want to recalibrate it. Kind of reset the computer, let it know that you done something. I'm going to show you how to do that, because that's the most important thing. I used to work on these, I would fix them, but I didn't know I had to recalibrate them, which means they were not working correctly and I was losing money. Alright, pop it in. You want to put it back in, put it in towards the right first, bring it in, lock it to the left. Alright, she's in there. Alright, got a little tooth here and there that go in these holes. Hopefully you can see that. Forward about a good 3/8 inch, and then back. She's in there, and you put the screws back in it. Alright, so I'm gonna plug her up and show you how to do the recalibration. Alright, plugged her back up. You want to do one full rotation counterclockwise, starting at normal all the way back to normal there, okay? So we're going to go left, right, 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 left, right. See how our lights blink? We're in service mode. Alright, we can go to recalibrate, which is just going to be rinse. Hit start. They'll start doing that right there. It'll lock. It's going to recalibrate. That's it, guys. Just might want to put your parts back on before you recalibrate it. This is just a quick video to help a friend of mine. Actually a stranger, but his roommate didn't think he could do it. It's that simple. Do me a favor and subscribe, please. I want to start making videos and get paid like everybody else, right? This is what I do all day long. Fix washers and dryers. You got any questions? Please don't hesitate to ask. Unless it's something to do with a Samsung or an LG.